Whoa.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I'm really excited because this is another PR deck, yay! Oh my goodness, so I was sent this deck to review on my channel and I'm really excited because again, it's another animal deck and I love the animal decks. So this is the Animal Love Oracle cards, advice, compassion, and wisdom from our animal mentors, written and illustrated by Nadine Gordon-Taylor. This retails for $30 and it is published by Bear & Co. The back says we are all ascending to new heart-based frequencies and our interactions with animals can help guide us through the spiritual evolution. Animals not only can offer us compassionate wisdom, they also teach us there is more than one way to love. Beautifully illustrated with images of animals from around the world, including bears, cats, dragonflies, lions, manatees, otters, puffins, turtles, and zebras, the 52 full color cards of this animal-centered deck and accompanying guidebook were designed to help unite you with your higher consciousness and loving energies that will inspire, empower, and heal. The animals that appear on each card are your mentors and will guide you with profound insights to accelerate your spiritual journey and align you with the energies of the heart. All right, I'm really excited. So it is a magnetic clasp. I love those. There is no ribbon. And I've already undone the little band around there so you don't have to see me struggle. I love that little heart there. That's so nice. All right, so let's just take a look-see real fast. I think this is to be used just like any other Oracle deck. Ooh, I just ripped a page. Okay. Researching animal symbolism for decades. Awesome. If you are reading these words, you are open to the new energies and vibrations occurring around you. Oh my gosh, sorry, dolphin. Love it. Okay, so there's no right way to work with these cards, so work with it how you want, but just make sure you avoid yes or no questions. Okay, perfect. And then here is a spread, and then we do have wild cards and some affirmations. So wild cards, I thought I saw it. Yeah, mermaid and unicorn. Love that. Okay, let's get into it. These are quite big. They're bigger than your average Oracle card. I believe they're very similar to like the Lucy Cavendish size cards, so hopefully that helps. Here is the back. Look at how cute little lovebirds. Oh, well, I wouldn't call them lovebirds, but they're little snugging birds. So cute. Okay, so it looks like we have some landscape and portraits. Love that. All right, and then we do have the title and then some keywords here, so that is awesome to see. It is a little glossy, just a smidge, and then the cardstock, okay, not bad. So it's still pretty firm. It's thin, so I'm sure these will be great to shuffle, but it's like snaps back really nice, so I like that. It's sturdy, but it's not super thick to where it's going to be hard to shuffle. They are big, so it's going to be awkward for me to try to shuffle anyway. I'm really liking the illustration style. I'm excited to see if there are any animals that I don't already currently have in a deck or see usually in an animal deck. And then I'm going to try really hard not to give you motion sickness as I flip from portrait to landscape. Oh, I love this cat. Oh, cute. Oh my goodness. Like the art style is realistic, yet not, if that makes any sense at all. I really am enjoying this. Oh my gosh, he's a little chipmunk. Oh, look at the paws. And then ladybugs in there. Oh my gosh, I love. Ooh. Very cool. I like the juxtaposition of that. Moo cow. Oh my goodness. How cute. Ooh. All right, this is adorable. Yay, we have a crow. Oh, how cool. Look at him. Oh my gosh. All animals seem to be him today. I do apologize. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at how adorable his little tongue. Oh. There's the dolphin. I love, like, viewing this from far away, it definitely looks super realistic. Oh, there we go. It's doves. Oh, they're so sweet. Ooh, that is interesting. That is really cool. Ooh, majestic. Those ears. Oh my goodness. Okay, what was his name? The one that loved Evangeline in The Princess and the Frog. Why can I not think of his name? Shoot. The firefly. Every time I see fireflies or associate anything with having to do with fireflies, it's always that character in my mind. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. I do love foxes. Oh, the little frog. So sweet. The colors are vibrant, fun. I really, really, really love the art style here. Goose. That looks like a painting I would see at the dental office. And not that that's a bad thing. It's just like the colors and the way that it's positioned. It just reminds me. And that's not a bad thing. I've seen plenty of beautiful artworks. It's just one of those things where you want the art to be calming when you have your patients. So that's all I mean by that. That's really cool. That hawk. Oh. Oh, we have a hippo. There is baby Fiona, I believe. That's a newer born hippo, and I've seen videos of her, and I love her. Smashing watermelons with her big old hippo jaws. We have a manatee. Wow. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, otters, yay. Oh, I love when they hold hands together. Gorgeous. Oh, be still my heart. Look at those little paws. Oh my goodness. Oh, cute. How fun that background too. Yay, we have a peacock. Now, can I get an alpaca or a llama? Cute. Oh! Look at how adorable. I'm so sorry that you have to hear me gush, but I am a sucker when it comes to cute, adorable animal pictures. I just fall apart. Oh. Oh my goodness. Cute. Little rooster. Oh, yay, seahorses. Oh. We have a snake. Yes. Oh. Precious. This is just super adorable. Oh. How cute and funky cute is this guy? Oh, yay. Toucan. Goodness sake. Oh. That face. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm really impressed. There's a lot of really good variety here. And they're not always your common, you know, animals that you see. Okay, so here's the wild card. We have a mermaid. Yay! I love that it looks like a little heart there. And a unicorn. Oh. All right, so let's see how this shuffles. So my hands are not gonna fit gracefully around these cards, but you can shuffle it this way. What I tend to do for bigger decks like this is that I hold them lengthwise like this and rifle them this way. Oh, that's nice. They're really nice and flexible, but they have they snap back to flat. Okay, yeah, I like that. And then we can shuffle them this way. Yeah, I do not have a problem with how these shuffle. It's just going to be a little awkward for me just because they're a big card. But you can shuffle by fanning them out. You can just, however you choose to shuffle, it'll work for you, I think. Okay, can I just get one card? Okay, we'll do this one. Fish. All right, so they aren't numbered, but that's okay. You can just go to the table of contents here, and they are all alphabetical, so that's perfect. Then 42, determination, emotion, and strong sense of self. All right. Oh, we get affirmations too. Love it. All right, your message. The card you have selected shows a beautiful rainbow trout. It is jumping toward the full moon into turbulent but exciting and stimulating waters. Fish do everything in water. They cannot live without it. Fish therefore represent life. Both the full moon and fish are associated with the unconscious, intuition, and emotion. This means you will experience thoughts and feelings arising from the depth of your unconscious. And since the fish is leaping toward the moon, hidden memories will soon be unveiled. This knowledge comes from a part of you that is barely recognizable but has been with you since birth. Your small fish makes a huge splash. It represents the divine, transition, and that which flows. One can take the idea of flow and apply it to money and finances. If you understand the game of money and business, you realize the money is just another word for energy, and energy is dynamic. It needs to be in constant motion. You can be conservative, but keep your money working for you. Focus on the expansive energy of the fish. It can help you clear out stagnant states of mind, allowing healthy new ideas to grow and multiply. The fish in this image is very determined. It knows without a doubt that it will succeed on its mission. This is because fish in general symbolize having strong convictions and being very direct. If the rainbow trout has leaped into your life, you may want to add more color to your wardrobe or your living environment. Color can be very therapeutic, either calming or stimulating depending on your choice. Let the wilder, creative side of you come out. Dance, sing, paint, journal, etc. Explore something new and share it with others. Look at your business in a new way. Reinvent yourself. Take a risk. As you transition through your life, swim with the fish. They will show you how to handle any inner turbulence. Their wisdom includes knowing that nothing outside holds any power over you unless you let it. When you rely on your inner guidance system, you will successfully navigate through rough waters. Fish lead you to inner strength, peace, stability, and a strong sense of self, all of which allow you to help, guide, and inspire others. Swim with the fish and find your treasure at the end of the rainbow. And affirmations would be, I am calm in all situations, I instinctively know all the answers, and I creatively address any issues that come my way with love and patience. Okay, I love this. It's very gentle, it's very positive, it's very much, it explains everything that's going on in the picture, how it relates to the message. I love that you get affirmations. I feel like affirmations are really important, especially if you have a tendency to do a lot of that negative self-talk. Affirmations are a great way to switch that in your brain. And especially if you're pulling like for a card a day, then you can use those affirmations all day long in your head, repeat them, and then you start to manifest your own reality in that way. So I really, really am impressed with this whole situation here. I really love all the animals that are in this. I love the art style. I think Miss Nadine is very talented in multiple ways here, and I'm just really super impressed. The only thing that I'm a little concerned about is just the size, only because they're a little awkward for me to shuffle. But other than that, I mean, it's not a big deal. I like having the big image. However, it's just awkward for me, but that's just a preference thing. I don't know if I don't know. I'm not crazy about having two different, a portrait and a landscape. But again, I'm just nitpicking at this point, but I'm really excited about it. I'm excited to start using it. And now I pass it over to you. What do you think about this deck? Is it even on your radar? Do you already have it in your wish list? This does come out, I believe, June 8th of 2021. So you'll probably be seeing this video before it releases. So I'll link everywhere that you can purchase it down in the description box below. And as you all know, those links are not affiliated links, so I don't earn any commission off of those links. But I was sent this deck for this video. So that being said, I'm so curious to know what you think down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.